Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today we'll see how to prepare the South Indian healthy food Venthayakali. For this we need 1 cup of parboiled rice. To this add 1/4 cup of fenugreek seeds and 1/4 cup of Urad dal, that is split black gram. Clean it with water. Drain the water. Now add enough water to soak this and let this sit for at least 3 hours. This is after 3 hours. I am going to grind this into a fine paste. You can use this water for grinding. If you need extra water, you can add some more. Now add enough water and grind this into a fine paste. We need a loose consistency, but don't worry about the consistency right now. If the batter is thick, we can add extra water later. For the sweetness of this recipe, I am going to use palm jaggery. What I am using here weighs around 100 to 150 grams. Adding more or less is up to you, and you can adjust it according to your taste. We are going to dissolve this in water, so don't need to make it into a fine powder. This is ready. Now add 1 cup of water into this. This has to be on the flame till the jaggery dissolves completely. This is ready. Now let us filter it. Now add the grinded batter. Please note that I didn't switch on the flame yet. This batter is somewhat thick. We have to make it even more watery, so add enough water and make it into a loose batter. The batter has to be loose. If it is thick, if you keep it on the flame, it will get thick very fast. This is okay. Now let us add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. Here I am using cold pressed unrefined sesame oil. Unrefined sesame oil, when taken in small quantities, is really very good for the health. Now give a nice mix and keep it on the flame. Stir this continuously. Once it starts boiling, this will get thick soon. Once it starts getting thick, keep it in the medium flame and stir it continuously. Once this gets cooled down, it will get a little bit more thick. Once it attains this consistency, you can stir this for about 2 to 3 minutes and you can switch off the flame. We South Indian people especially give this curry to girls during the puberty period. This is a very healthy food. Try to at least have this once in a week. Actually, there is a way for serving this. How much ever needed, transfer the curry in a plate. Make a small gap or small space in the middle and add 1 or 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Again, the cold pressed unrefined version will be the healthy choice. Hope you like it. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.